G'day, here's 3 pieces of nice opal from Lightning Ridge area. It's seam material, so it's a bit easier to cut than knobbies. Crystal type piece. A couple of bands of colour there, pinks and reds on the top. Make a nice stone. Pretty easy to cut. Unfortunately, it's on a lighter base. Second piece, it's a little bit more wavy. Brilliant colours though. That's obviously going to be the top. Again, lighter material. Lucky last but not least. Colour bars there. Should be easy to cut. A little bit of a hollow here. And I think that's going to be the top there for you. 3 nice big stones. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.